మొత్తానికి అయితే వచ్చేసాము. క్వీన్స్ యూనివర్సిటీ ఫుట్బాల్ గ్రౌండ్ సీదా. సో ఇక్కడ నుండి ఫుట్బాల్ గ్రౌండ్ సైడ్ వెళ్ళాలంట. ఫుట్బాల్ గ్రౌండ్ దగ్గర నుండి కాళిదాస బిల్డింగ్ సైడ్ వెళ్తే అక్కడే మన రిజిస్ట్రేషన్ డెస్క్ అనేది ఉంది. సో యా, చూడండి ఇటు. Way to the Walk Plaza. అదే ఫుట్బాల్ గ్రౌండ్ ఏరియా. యా, అండ్ ఇట్ సైడ్ yeah, Manish is here to welcome me. Yes, cool. So Manish ఉన్నాడు అనమాట ఇక్కడ. రిజిస్ట్రేషన్ ఇటు, డైనింగ్ హాల్ ఇటు, రెస్ట్ రూమ్స్ అటు అండ్ హాస్టల్ రూమ్స్ ఇటు. సో ఫస్ట్ మనం వెళ్ళి రిజిస్ట్రేషన్స్ అయితే చేసుకున్నాక వెంటనే వెళ్ళిపోయి దిస్ ఈజ్ ఇట్, ఫ్లేమ్ యూనివర్సిటీ, టీచ్ ఫర్ ఇండియా, ఫ్లేమ్ యూనివర్సిటీ. చూసారు కదా, సాల్. So much, so peaceful this is. Yeah, cool. Okay, this is the Is this the registration desk? Yes. Thank you. Yes. Cool. Hi. Yes.
Thanks to your meeting with you.
Okay. Hi. What's your name?
My name is Riya. I'm Hyderabad second year fellow.
Oh, Hyderabad se ho?
Yeah, you are Hyderabad.
Yeah.
Okay, we'll meet in city then.
Yes, for sure. Hi. Anything else?
Yeah, no. So you go to the Kalidas for registration, and there you will get the keys of your room as well. You can have lunch. But three.
Yeah.
You can go and have lunch first. And then you can go to your room. There is shuttle buses there.
Yeah.
It will start in every 2 minutes, 20 minutes.
Cool.
So complete your registration and then go.
Oh, thanks. Sure. How long will it take? Hi.
More than like 20 minutes next.
Abhi? Oh. Okay. Yes. So yeah, friends, I've given these things. Yes. So excited for this. I'm ready for the challenge. Look at this. Hi, do I have to do anything here?
Yeah, so which was city you're from?
I'm from Hyderabad.
You have to just pick out your one of your photographs.
Oh.
It's right here, and you have to write the challenge. Yes.
Okay. So yeah, this is mine. I have to write the challenge here.
Yes.
Okay. What should be the challenge? I mean, should I give challenge to myself?
Yes.
Okay. Okay, let me see what others have written, and then
I think a lot of people have just written, their wishes, I swear. And
Acha.
yeah.
The best wishes.
No, they're like, what are they looking forward to? So they're
Okay,
very
I'm very excited to see
they
how I am going to
be there.
tackle it and to be there. and
Challenge the challenges.
Yes, amazing. Well, no matter what the challenge, me could always overcome sooner and later. Yes. Just see this, friends. To find solitude to expertise. Something which explore new side of mine and get to know what more I am capable of. Yeah, this is the challenge that I wrote. Okay, I am for the challenge to explore and push my comfort zone to spread as much joy as I can moving forward. Lots and lots of love. Yes.
Now?
Yes. Hi.
Okay, we'll do it again. Okay,
Yes.
3, 2, 1. Murara, welcome to Teach for India.
Thank
How
you
are
so
feeling
much.
about it?
Right now I feel very exhausted. Very, to be honest, authentic.
Yeah.
But yeah, I'm very excited going
And where are
forward.
you coming from?
I'm coming from Hyderabad.
Nice. Long travel?
Very long.
Flight or train?
No, train.
Oh wow,
Yeah.
amazing. Okay, I won't take much of your time.
Yes.
We have also arranged for lunch, and also I'll just like give you the room allocation.
I'm very
you
hungry
can
too.
have lunch and then come finish the other formalities. Okay?
Oh, can I go for the lunch now?
Yeah. Just give me your number
Sure.
and then I can
Yeah.
help you with it. Okay? Just a second. Okay. Tell me your number.
It's 95
95
73
73
80
80
5
5
11
11
4.
4. Okay.
Yes.
Yeah, Murara.
Basically,
Hyderabad.
it should be Yam Rakesh Raju,
Yes, it's
Yeah.
correct. Yeah.
Yeah.
Rakesh Raj.
but I prefer to be called as Murara.
Murara.
Yeah.
Okay, got it. We'll make sure if people like you can just let people know whenever like see because it's again tendency to
yes.
forget and all. Right? Just
Officially, it's Modampuri Rakesh Raju.
Modampudi.
Modampuri Rakesh Raju. Officially, it's
Modampudi
Modampuri
Rakesh Raj. Okay.
Yeah,
And you're from
basically.
proper Hyderabad.
Yeah,
okay?
I'm local Pakka Hyderabad.
Now how you're like Pakka Hyderabad.
Wow,
Have you
thank
got
you.
something a biryani or something like? How
Well, I'm a vegetarian though.
But
Yeah.
we can have veg biryani. No?
Sure, why not?
By the way, Flame offers veg food. Huh?
Mm-hmm. Yeah. I've seen that.
Just a second, I'll send you the email for the room.
Mhm.
Okay, you can settle down. The shuttle service is there from the
Yeah.
fountain. Everything I'll explain you.
Sure.
Just give me 1 second, okay?
Waiting.
For the HR and all, I'm not sure if they'll allow you to do this.
Oh, yeah. There, I mean, everywhere I'm actually asking for consent. So
Yeah.
if they say no, it's fine.
Are you an influencer or by any chance?
I'm a content creator. So I'm a traveler.
Oh wow.
Yes.
Okay. Just check your email and WhatsApp. You would have
Sure.
got room details.
Everything.
Yeah.
Okay. So hi. Hi.
Get your name, sorry.
This is Murara.
Murara.
Yeah.
Nitish.
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 Nice meeting you,
From the tech
Nitish.
team here.
Acha. Okay. Cool.
So Murara, tell me, like, how was your day, by the way?
It was, very exhausting. I feel very hungry right now and just want to go and grab something and eat.
Please do. It's a good lunch today.
Yeah.
It does not have very good menu.
I'm a vegetarian, so it's fine.
Good food.
Yeah.
So have some lunch, take some break.
Sure.
With your room allocation, can you help me, like, what's the block preference you'll have? I'm not sure if you already spoke to Ganesh.
I didn't.
Okay. So,
But I have actually updated it on the website though. The application form that they have sent.
okay. So there are like male block, female blocks. Which one
Yeah.
would you prefer? Like which
Male.
Male.
Yeah.
Is there any specific roommate requirement that you have? Like, is it okay to have a male roommate, or would you need a non-binary roommate itself?
It's fine.
Male roommate also.
Yeah. Non-binary is also fine. Doesn't matter.
Doesn't matter. Right? Okay, just male block.
Yeah.
Just give me 5 minutes. I
Sure.
have a teammate who actually handles the room. She's just away for lunch.
Yeah.
So just give me a few minutes. And
Cool.
Meanwhile, you can have a seat and just wait. When she's back, I'll just allocate the
Sure.
That will be-
Yeah. So can I go and have my lunch, or should I just?
Yeah, please go and have your lunch and then come back over here.
Okay, cool. I'll come back here again.
Yeah. You can come to the matriculation desk. Can you just help me with your email ID? I'll just
It's
check it.
Rakesh Raju. REKESH. RAJU.
One second.
Yeah, sure. RAJU.
Raju Modampur.
Yeah,
He's here.
Modampur.
Room allocation. He needs an appeal.
All the way from Hyderabad.
You
Yes.
traveled yesterday night or today morning?
Yesterday night, yeah. Yesterday night I boarded the train and it was great in the train. I was not like very overwhelmed in the starting, initially before I got into the train because it was raining very heavily. It was pouring back in Hyderabad.
Hyderabad as well?
Yeah.
Pune also it started pouring very heavily.
Completely I got drenched and then finally I was able to catch the train on time. And finally, yeah.
Have you been to Pune before?
Sorry?
Have you been to Pune before this?
Not really. No. This is my first time here. Looking forward, yeah. Where are you from, Nitish?
Mainly Pune.
Oh.
Pune. I've been here for 10 years.
Okay.
Originally from Mumbai, but have been here for more than 10 years now. So
Amazing.
call myself a Pune.
Nice. Hello, hi.
Hello. Just
Yes. Thank you.
Have you requested for a laptop? You can collect it from Aryabhatta 002.
Thank you, Nitish. And I've also actually requested for a laptop.
So once you complete the...
Everything is done.
You don't need to come here, but anyways, you're welcome to come here. But the laptop is in a room called Aryabhatta.
Yeah.
So once you go out of this building, take a right, just keep going straight. There's a building Aryabhatta, room number 002.
Sure.
That's where the laptop is.
Thank you.
But once you're done with everything, go visit. We'll just
Yes.
check.
I'll go have something and then
Please do,
I'll...
please do.
Bye.
This is the campus
Okay.
map. Okay.
Okay.
Everything that you need will be here. Okay.
Yes.
Now the second thing is there are a couple of things that you'll be needing to do. You have finished registration desk,
Mm-hmm.
and then the rest other things marked in red would be remaining. So you finish it when you find them before 6:30.
Before 6:30,
Yeah,
yes.
that's
I
very
will.
very important. Yeah?
Yeah.
And also it will get crowded as and when people come. So come and just finish it. Okay. Now there are a couple of activities happening throughout the day.
Right.
One is the campus tour, which is happening at 4
4 p.m. to 7
and 7 p.m. starting from Flame Cafe. Where is the Flame Cafe? Look here.
Okay.
Or just ask people.
Sure.
Okay, है ना? Yeah.
Okay.
So cafeteria and okay, Flame Cafe is not mentioned. Yeah. So Flame Cafe is right next to cafeteria. Okay.
Cafeteria, okay.
Yeah. Where is the interaction with TFI students happening? Shanti Niketan. Where is Shanti Niketan? Shanti Niketan is
Just
right
here
here.
before,
Okay.
yeah.
Next to the ground, like cafe
Got
around
it.
cafeteria.
Got
only, okay? So look here, meals timings are given, bus timings, the ferry timings are given. Okay. Where is starting from Flame Mountain and Flame Map has been
Right.
given. Okay. Yeah.
Sure.
So throughout the day, some or the other thing would be happening. So
Yes.
keep an eye on it, but make sure that you finish that. Till the time you
Everything,
don't finish
yes.
that, your contract would not be made. Yeah?
Yes, sure.
Okay.
I'll go and have my
Yeah, lunch.
food and
Yeah.
they'll come back.
Yes.
Yes, this is it, friends. No reflection, integrity, sense of prosperity, and everything. So yeah, friends, this is the lunch area, and Chudachu dining hall idi basically. Ide anamata dining hall. Hi. It's water and salsa. Thank you. Thank you. Curry. Yes, and then there's this papad. ये बॉल्स क्या है? एक्सक्यूज मी भाई, ये बॉल्स क्या है? या गुलाब जामुन? क्या बॉल्स क्या है? किस चीज़ के लिए अभी बॉल्स? हो गया अच्छा है sorry. Yes. Hi. Can I join? Can I just sit? You want to say hi? Hello. Can I have your consent to just record? So, where are you guys from? Are you part of the team? Yes. Not part of the team. Oh, Future Fellows. Okay. Hi, folks. This is also a fellow. And where are you guys from?
Chennai.
Oh, both of you?
Chennai.
Acha. I'm from Hyderabad. Telugu. Hyderabad. You?
Chennai.
Chennai only. Cool. Nice meeting you. ఇదే అన్నమాట ఏమంటారు మెన్యూ బేసికలీ లంచ్ మెన్యూ. నాకు ఇంకో ఇంట్రెస్టింగ్ థింగ్ ఇక్కడ ఏం కనిపించింది అంటే ఇది ఏదైతే ఉందో లవ్ ఫుడ్ హేట్ వేస్ట్. ఇక్కడ ఇది ఏదైతే ఉందో డిడ్ యూ నో an average active adult requires 2000 calories of energy per day. However, calorie needs may vary. నాకు ఇది ఎందుకు ఇంట్రెస్టింగ్గా అనిపించిందంటే మనం ఎక్కడ చూసినా కూడా మ్యాక్సిమం టు మ్యాక్సిమం జనాలు ఫుడ్ని వేస్ట్ చేయొద్దు, ఫుడ్ చాలా కష్టపడితే వస్తుంది అంటారు కదా. అయితే ఇక్కడ అంటే ఫుడ్ తినండి అండ్ ఫుడ్ అనేది ఒక్కొక్క మనిషికి ఒక్కొక్కలా ఉంటుంది, ఎంత కావాలి ఏంటి అనేది. సో ఇట్స్ ఎ పాజిటివ్ థింగ్ ఫర్ మీ టు లైక్ అంటే తీసుకోవడానికి. బికాజ్ ఎక్కడైనా సరే జనాలు ఫుడ్ వేస్ట్ చేయొద్దు అంటే చెయ్యొద్దు అనేదానికి తినండి ప్రాపర్గా ఎంత కావాలి అనేదానికి చాలా తేడా ఉంది. ద లాంగ్వేజ్ డిఫరెన్స్ అండ్ ది ఇంపాక్ట్ ఇట్ క్రియేట్స్ ఇట్స్ డిఫరెంట్ అని ఐ జస్ట్ వాంటెడ్ టు షో యూ. भैया हाथ वहाँ पे धो सकते, हाथ वहाँ पे धो सकते, हैंड वॉश वहीं पे. Cool. Not in use. Yeah, this is the lunch hall. Well, సో మొత్తానికి అయితే ఫేస్ వాష్ చేసుకున్నాము, వెళ్ళిపోదాం, రిజిస్ట్రేషన్ చేసుకోవాలి. సో వెళ్ళిపోయిన తర్వాత పదండి. थैंक यू सो मच. मेरा पेपर्स या थैंक यू.
Hello.
Hi. This is Murara.
Okay, this side. Should I taking your name, then I'll give it.
अच्छा, तो पहले उधर आना, उधर. यस.
Oh, you are going to see in the city.
Oh, sure. आपका नाम?
Seema.
Nice meeting you, Seema. This is Murara.
This is your ID card. You need to write a name here.
Yes.
Okay. And this you can use this for that. And you need to go get a picture.
मैं बाद में आके फोटो ले सकता हूँ. Is it okay? Because I feel like I just go and request them.
Because you have a mark कर दिया है कि you have taken it. So you have to update. Then take it and come back here. फिर Guru is like you're free for the entire thing. Okay.
नहीं. So pink is for Delhi, green is for Pune, blue is for Kolkata, and this is for. Oh, this is orange. Oh, this is. Which color is this?
Chennai red.
This is red. Okay, Chennai, and white is for Hyderabad.
Go there, get a picture.
Green is for Bombay.
Come back.
Yellow is for Ahmedabad and orange is for. Thank you so much.
Yes, the marker was
Bengaluru.
Network.
हाँ पकड़ सकते हो। సో యా మనది ఎన్ బ్లాక్ అన్నమాట. ఎన్ బ్లాక్లో గ్రౌండ్ ఫ్లోర్లో ఫస్ట్ రూమ్ నెంబర్. సో వెళ్ళిపోదాము. ఎస్
आपका नाम, रूम नंबर,
अच्छा
कॉन्टैक्ट नंबर बस.
ओके. मेरा नाम है MORARA और
रूम
ये
नंबर
क्या?
है.
Oh my God, are you
सॉरी, मेरा ध्यान ही नहीं था.
Oh, so.
चोट लगता ही
Oh,
है,
यार.
वो आप ध्यान रखो, बहुत लोग इससे टकरा रहे.
हो गया ऐसी. ओह मेरा कांटेक्ट नंबर.
हाँ 001 है आपका रूम नंबर.
हाँ
फिर आपका इधर ही है.
वही तो. धन्यवाद दीदी. आपका नाम?
अनीता देवी.
नाइस मीटिंग यू. अच्छा लगा. हाय बोल सकते हो हमारे फॉलोअर्स. यस अनीता दीदी. अच्छा यही है. कोई है? अच्छा